guys, welcome back to the channel. Jamaican Shore Fishing here, guys. Big up yourself. Me and my girls about to set out on this epic adventure today, guys. This is Sophia, guys. This is my youngest daughter, and you know Laurie already. And we got Ashay, my niece, back here, and we're ready to push out this morning, guys, on a fishing adventure this morning. They're going to the beach, but I'm going to be throwing some lines, see if I can pick something up for dinner this evening, guys. So stay tuned, guys. We are out here Jamaican shore fishing. Yeah, Jamaica shore fishing. See how my brethren in Rio Bueno do the crab thing. You see it? We'll come outside. We get a lot of crabs. Yeah, man. You see the crabs, Sophia? They got big claws. Look. You see the pinchers? They got big pinchers. They pinch really hard. Look. You see him? He's trying to pinch me. He's like, I'll get you. I'll get you. Don't touch me. You want to see it? Alright, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Big up yourself. Jamaican shore fishing here, guys. I'm going to jump over to a few scenes from Gio and Nell catching some crabs. Then I'm going to jump over quick over to the cooking part of it. Shore fishing, we are out here. Yeah. Alright, cool. Believe no man. Yeah man, people you know say right over there now man. Believe man, one Jerry man. One God in that place. Yeah. So you know me and Nell Colonel in the bush. I go get some crab. So subscribers them and the viewers them can see what go on. Yeah man. You know nothing like any local youth said way. Big up to all the subscribers them and the viewers said way upon Jerry thing, you know. Blessings. Yeah man, so then I bag along talking, you know. Crab will come for catch and do yoke and cut. All over so we are gonna. What's up? Why tree? Yeah. What? Go on, milk. I have to crab. Give me back. I can't go in the water. Yeah, people, you see that one and else one. Yes, the one just run go in the water right now. Well, it's a small one still. You catch some now? Make the people so go on. Yeah? Yes, you want help?
Just walk careful. One.
Let him go. Aye.
Try the water, man.
Oh, come on. Yes, people, see first one. No, we go. Me can't come in the water. Make Jerry wife smile in the air, you know. Me take funny. The bush side did come run. But me can't come run. Alright, I see if me can go up on the higher heights and get some film here, you know. Yeah. Just not go too far. Yes, peeps. See there? On the riverside with there. Lovely place in a Rio Bueno. Jerry them they down there, so my name family. We go and do some fishing. Go and relax with them steady way and have vibes. Just take a 5-minute break. So we come catch 2 crab. No, see my dog around yesterday in the water. No. Yeah, people, so you know what I'm going to do now? Jerry say, I'm not going in the water, you know, peeps. So, see me, so. Because him don't want the camera wet up, so what I'm going to do? I'm going to try grow on this stuff without camera wet up. So I go try a thing. Nell, run us so deep. It taller than me. Sure. Alright peeps, here goes nothing. So, you know, I swim with the camera upon my head. Try if you don't make it wet up car. Jerry is a different one. Yeah. Take time swim with the camera. Alright people, I'm rich. That's the nail here. Oh, we subscriber them want to see. I'm gonna catch a crab. Yes people, Nell catch a nice one. Two that we have in our bag now. Wash them off, make the people get a look on him. Yeah, nice one. No. See him here? Nice crab. Yeah people, remember Jerry said me not to go in the water, you know, I'm still coming in the water with the camera and all when I get wet up. But you know I can't too dig for no crab like that because I don't want it wet up, you know. Just my dog over here say I'm a worky bush. Come get some footage of it. Listen to Papa. Yeah man, I walk on the top. So people, I go on and now I walk on the top part of the bush. And my friend Nell, I go swim on the banking. Take up what I'm to take up. So I don't know what to go on. There, I look for him too. So anything I see, I'm going to catch it. Alright, I'm gone. One more. Now bag. Bag. Three that peeps. Take time I go and do a thing. Cut me and cut him out peeps. Reach a spot before him and them a swim. See you reach ya. I'll wait for him because I might catch the crab, remember. I'll hold it right up the side, crab all is in there. Right up the side corner. You couldn't see what they go on, people. See him up right up. Yeah man, big one. So they say them always in there. Yeah. Nell catch a nice cutter. Nice one. 4 that now peeps. We have 2 more old little silver now. And YouTuber. Nell and Gio them just go catch some crab look while. So I'm put on one pot later guys. Stay tuned guys for the adventure cause I do a curry cook up for them guys later. See? Stay tuned. Outside. Hey guys. Went out today guys. Didn't catch any fish. But Gio and the guys caught some crabs for me. I didn't get a chance to video the part where I was cleaning them up guys because it was a lot of work. I got back, I had to take a power nap and I'm kind of tired. So these are the crabs that I just cleaned up outside guys. They're fresh, they're still moving. I'm getting ready to curry these up. So stay tuned guys, I'm about to do some vegetables, cut up some seasonings and stuff, and get that stuff ready to go into this pot. Stay tuned, Jamaican Shore Fishing, we are out here. We got our seasoning cut up. We got our tomatoes, our scallion, onion, thyme. We did not put the pepper yet because my daughter's kind of sensitive to spices guys, so I'm going to add the pepper after I take hers out. So stay tuned guys, we got the garlic, we're going to add the rest of the stuff in the pot. Give us a second. Outside, Jamaican Shore Fishing. Just added the oil inside the pot, guys. I'm gonna add 2 cloves of garlic in here now, guys. Give me a second. 2 cloves of garlic in there, and we're gonna get some of this curry powder in here, guys. All right, stay tuned, Jamaican Shore Fishing. Just added the curry powder to the thing now, people. The curry going burn up a bit, guys, because we don't know. Curry or something you wanna play with. Is it? Outside guys. Let that go and bubble a little bit and we'll get the crab seasoned up and put inside. Alright guys? In here now, about to drop this bad boy in the pot, stir it up. Alright guys, we got our seasoning salt, we got our seasonings, everything's in here mixed up. So we're gonna drop our crab in the pot now with our curry, guys, and give it a minute. Outside Jamaican Shore Fishing. Hands, here we go guys. So we got that in there now. We'll give it a few minutes and let this thing bubble up. Alright guys? Big up yourself, Jamaican Shore Fishing. We are out here guys. We'll be back when we add the coconut milk. Jamaican Shore Fishing, see it, people? What I like, look a bit so you can't see the curry crab them guys. I fog up the glass. Yes it! We're outside guys. Best up Jamaican Shore Fishing. Stay tuned. Water's amount and I drop my pepper in here now. So now I season this up with pepper the right way. Yes it, people? I don't know, some daughter kind of sensitive to the pepper. Yeah, I'll make the pepper soak in them here now. Yes it? Outside. In touch Jamaican Shore Fishing guys, look at that. Curry crab. That's what's up. Outside we say. Well guys, stay tuned. Please like, share, subscribe to Please like, share, subscribe to the channel guys, and watch the ads and share it with your friends and families guys. Big up yourself, Jamaican Shore Fishing. We are out here. I'm about to close this video with a red stripe beer, I swear. My wife's here, she's enjoying hers. And my daughter Sophia is enjoying hers. Laurie's enjoying hers. And that's it guys.